was very nice.
With a very good teacher.
It's nice to have some equals in that sense.
And so it's good to know more, that you know how your boat is working, then feeling a bit more confident.
And it was fun.
Yeah, and that was fun. Yeah.
It was fun. We were very lucky.
The wind was fantastic.
The sailing today, fantastic.
Yeah, a lot of fun.
Funny and good.
We learned a lot. It's definitely new and I have never done it before. Enjoy your ladies' time together. I think we talk more about what we are about to do. We know what is happening.
It was better.
Yeah, it was better. One more day.